God!
If you live for the roar of machines, the thrill of raw power, and the sweet scent of freshly cut timber, you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of timber titans, unstoppable machines that conquer the forest and chainsaws that rule like kings. This is the ultimate lumberjack dream brought to life. Now picture this, taking down one of these towering giants, not on a nice flat field, but on the rugged untamed slopes of California.
Can you see it?
It's like stepping into the heart of an action movie. Steep hills, unpredictable terrain, and the high-stakes precision of guiding this massive tree to land exactly where it needs to. Every move counts, and there's no room for error. Picture this, a modest little tree, standing solo like it's no big deal. But guess what? Beneath the surface, it's got a secret superpower, a labyrinth of roots plunging deep into the earth, holding on with the grip of a champion. You'd need a beastly 30-ton excavator just to give it a nudge. Nature sure knows how to pack a punch in small packages, doesn't it? What a mighty little fighter. When a tree falls the wrong way, instead of falling exactly where you want it, it topples into a dangerous spot, potentially causing serious safety risks or damaging property. Heavy hauling isn't just about monster-sized trucks, it's an art form of precision and expertise. These drivers are like maestros, orchestrating every move with skill and a deep understanding of their rigs. They make it look effortless, but trust me, it takes years of practice and experience to safely manage those massive loads. Got a big land clearing project with massive logs to deal with? The SS524 is your new best friend. This isn't just any splitter, it hooks right onto a skid steer, turning it into a mobile wood processing powerhouse. With a 36-inch stroke, it takes those intimidating monster logs and transforms them into neat, manageable firewood in no time. It's not just about brute force, it's about making the tough jobs easy and efficient. Seriously, how awesome is that? Alright folks, look at this beauty, minimalist design, maximum efficiency, and raw power packed into one genius piece of equipment. This wood splitter isn't about bells and whistles, it's about getting the job done right, every single time. No extra fluff, no overcomplicated controls, just pure, straightforward engineering that says, I'm here to work. Clean cuts, no wasted energy, and it doesn't even break a sweat. Alright folks, this is just another day on the job for smoke jumpers, elite firefighters trained to leap into action when wildfires break out. It's all about speed, precision, and keeping our communities safe. These pros make it look easy, but trust me, it's anything but.
Heads up! No!
Have you ever laid eyes on the Cat 990 log unloader? It's like watching a mechanical titan in action. This thing doesn't just move logs, it commands them. Effortless power, precision, and pure engineering genius. Seriously, how do they even come up with something this unstoppable? Those logs never stood a chance. Wow, check out this wood splitter. It's incredibly simple, but so effective. The design is minimalist, meaning it's free of any unnecessary parts, and it's incredibly powerful. It's truly genius how well it works with such a straightforward design. Honestly, it's the best wood splitter I've ever seen. Alright folks, let's talk about the Komatsu 931 harvester, the gold standard in forestry operations. This machine isn't just a harvester, it's like the symphony conductor of the woods, precision, power, and rhythm all rolled into one. This bad boy can delimb, cut, and measure trees with mind-blowing accuracy. It's the reason the 931 doesn't just work fast, it works smart. The head tilt and stability make it perfect for uneven ground. Whether you're up against a rocky hillside or in the middle of a dense forest, the 931's got your back. Meet the Ryobi 40V brushless kinetic log splitter, model RY4740. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 12 tons of splitting force, but here's the real kicker, it's lightning fast. We're talking a jaw-dropping 2-second cycle time, making it a speedster that's 10 times quicker than your standard hydraulic splitter. Just think of the hours you'll save with this beast in your arsenal. Alright folks, let's talk about the wood processor with hydraulic shear and splitter, the multi-tool of the forestry world, and it's here to make your life in the woods a whole lot easier. This bad boy saves time, energy, and your back, making it perfect for anyone needing to process a large volume of timber efficiently. Whether you're working on a farm, clearing land, or stocking up for winter, the hydraulic shear and splitter combo is your trusty companion in the world of woodwork. Just remember, safety first, keep your hands clear, and let the machine do the heavy lifting. Alright folks, let's talk about the OSA 280 Master 8x8, a name that sounds like it's about to conquer mountains. This guy is basically a mountain goat in disguise. And trust me, this beast hails from Sweden, where they know a thing or two about rough terrain and tough machines. It's got 8 wheels of pure muscle working together to haul timber out of the woods like it's nobody's business. It's built to thrive in rough terrain, and I'm talking about swampy bogs, rocky paths, and steep inclines where most machines would just throw in the towel. Let me introduce you to something absolutely awesome, the Woodpecker RP300. Picture this, a machine that can chew through logs up to 20 centimeters thick and spit them out as perfectly sized firewood, anywhere between 20 and 50 centimeters, exactly how you need it. Crazy, right? And don't worry, safety's top-notch here too. It's got a special stop switch that shuts it all down in an instant, plus protective covers to keep you safe and sound while it does its thing. This thing is a game changer. Had enough of the exhausting back-breaking grind of manual log splitting? This clever DIY setup combines a steep crane and a powerful 30-ton splitter to change the game. Designed for maximum efficiency, it handles massive, unruly logs like a pro, saving you time, effort, and maybe even a trip to the chiropractor. We're talking about turning a tough chore into a smooth and easy task. If firewood is your thing, this setup is a total game changer you've got to check out. This DIY firewood cutter is like that trusty old knife in your kitchen. Basic, no frills, but it gets the job done. It's simple, straightforward, and effective at turning logs into neatly cut firewood. We're talking minimal guards, questionable stability, and maybe a setup that feels like it's one wrong move away from becoming a hazard. But it's also one that needs a little more attention in the safety department before it gets a gold star. Always respect the tool, and make sure to keep those fingers out of harm's way. Hey folks! Quick question. Who here has ever faced the chaos of cleaning up after a storm? Yeah, we've all been there, right? Well, listen up, because I've got something incredible to share with you. The Muse Max WT11XLZ. This beast of a wood chipper is an absolute game changer. Picture this. The storms left your yard looking like a disaster zone, and you need a way to clear it fast. Enter the WT11XLZ. It tackles everything in its path and turns that mess of wood into neat, usable chips, even for powering an industrial boiler. Cleanup has never been this easy. Alright folks, let's talk about the Cloppy Tweo firewood processor. This machine is all about making life easy and saving you time. Instead of swinging an axe all day, you feed in your logs, and it does the hard work for you, cutting, splitting, and spitting out perfectly sized firewood pieces like a pro. The Cloppy Tweo is your go-to machine for reliable performance without breaking a sweat. Give it some logs and watch it do its thing. Clean, quick, and precise. This highlights why it's so crucial to check a tree's condition. Knowing its health inside and out is key to removing it safely. Alright folks, let's dive into the Enviro Advanced Medlog Max 928, a serious player in the world of forestry, dressed like a surgeon but works with the power of a beast. This guy reads the tree like a pro and makes cuts that are clean and efficient, maximizing every usable inch of wood. This machine is part of the Elite Log Max Harvester head family, specifically designed for medium-sized logs. It's got hydraulics that are smoother than butter and can chew through timber like it's snack time. Winter is just around the corner, and you know what that means, firewood season. But who's got the time to chop all that wood? Enter the Cord King 55, your ultimate firewood solution. Powered by an 75 horsepower John Deere engine, this beast doesn't just cut wood, it transforms the entire process. Sawing, splitting, and conveying all in one go, it makes quick work of even the biggest logs. And with a frostbite grapple mounted on a John Deere 6100 feeding the system, you'll be keeping the woodpile stocked without breaking a sweat. Your back? It's already thanking you. That's a wrap for today's wood-fueled madness. If you love the raw, unchained power of these machines, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the action. Got a favorite machine or a beast you want us to showcase next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.